Hello Tiki, welcome to our another video series of Excel automation using Power Automate desktop. In this video, we will learn about rename Excel worksheet action, and also we will see all the parameter of rename Excel worksheet action. Here in this screenshot, we will see how we will manually rename sheet in Excel spreadsheet. We will also discuss. So let's open Power Automate desktop and see all the parameter of rename Excel worksheet action, and after this we will also see the practical example of rename Excel worksheet action. Let's create a flow. Just click on new flow plus icon to create a new flow here. After this, in flow name section, you can mention your flow name as per your project requirement, like Excel automation, web automation, file and folder automation, and so on. And after this, just click on create button and just wait for a while. Here your flow is generated. Here you can see your flow has been created successfully. Excel web file folder desktop automation. So let me explain about each and every parameter of rename Excel worksheet action. So first of all, let's see in action panel where we can found this action. So just type in search action field rename Excel worksheet. Here you can see your rename Excel worksheet action is available under advanced section. So I have already drag and drop here. So let's open and see the parameter. Here you can see the parameter rename worksheet with. Here is the two way to rename Excel sheet by name by index. I am here selecting name, and worksheet name I am selecting first sheet. Here you can see first sheet is already available in our spreadsheet. So I am here mentioning first sheet, and after renaming worksheet new name, I am mention here rename by name. So this is the first way to rename by name property to rename the Excel sheet, and another way here, let me open and see, by index, and I am here selecting index, and after worksheet index I am selecting 3 because here I want to rename last sheet. That is why I am selecting here. I am mentioning index 3, and new sheet name is here I am mentioning rename by index. So I hope you understood about rename Excel worksheet action. So here you can see first sheet, sheet 1 and last sheet is already available. After running, you can see guys, you will see first sheet is renamed by name and last sheet is renamed by index. So let's run the flow and see what is the output of this flow. So let me explain what I did in this flow. First of all, I am opening challenge.xls file using launch Excel action, and after this I am using rename Excel worksheet, and after for closing Excel I am using close Excel action here, and I am before closing Excel I am selecting here save document. So let's run and see what is the output of this flow. So your flow has been executed successfully. So let's open Excel spreadsheet and see what is the output of this flow. Here you can see your Excel spreadsheet name is renamed by running the flow. Here you can see rename by name and rename by index. Before you will see that here first sheet and here is the last sheet is already available. So I hope you understood about rename Excel worksheet action. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.